In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a pixel from your Shopify store in 2025. So let's dive in and make sure those unwanted pixels are no longer tracking data in your Shopify account. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the home page of your store. This is essentially the control center for everything you'll be doing within Shopify. It's crucial to be logged into the admin section because that's where all the magic happens. From here, you can access every setting you need to manage your online store. Next, you'll want to locate the settings option. You can usually find this in the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. It's your gateway to every customizable element of your store, so once you've clicked on it, you'll have access to a multitude of options. From this list, you'll need to navigate directly to customer events. It's here where data integrations like pixels are set up and managed. After you're in the customer events section, you'll see a listing of all the pixels currently installed on your store. This can include Facebook pixels, Google Analytics events, or any other marketing pixels that you might be using. Each one is a tool designed to track customer behavior on your site, so it's important to ensure that you're only running those that serve a current strategic purpose. Now focus on selecting the specific pixel you wish to remove. This might require a little scrolling if you have multiple pixels set up. Make sure to select the correct one as this is crucial. Accidentally removing the wrong pixel could affect the data tracking for your current advertising strategies. Once you've selected the pixel in question, it's time to remove it. Simply find the delete option, which should be quite visible on the pixel setting page. Click on delete pixel. At this point, be absolutely certain of your choice, as deleting a pixel is a permanent action. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it, the pixel is now removed from your store. Removing unused or unnecessary pixels can greatly help in simplifying your data tracking and can even boost the reliability of your shop's analytics. Always ensure you stay organized by only having pixels active which serve a specific need or campaign, keeping your marketing efforts clear and focused. Thank you for watching this full tutorial on removing a pixel from Shopify in 2025. We hope you found it straightforward and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online store. Until next time, honey, happy selling.